Hello, my dear students. As we were doing the chapter Deep Water, so today we have to start from here. That is, up to here we have done that my eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. And from here we have to do. I flailed at the surface of the water. Where I gonna? At the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. Even my breathing was very much distress. I was not able to breathe, and what I was swelling the water, swirling nigalna. I tried to bring my legs up. I just tried to come on my legs up, but they hung as dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. Do you know what is the meaning of paralyzed? That is when our half body works, mean to say my legs were not working when I'm just trying. Even then also, like the dead weights, my body was a rigid, that is type of a stiff. A great force was pulling me under. A great force was there that was pulling me under. I screamed, मैं चिल्लाया, but only the water heard me. Who heard me? Only the water. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. When I just put on my own strength, I just gone, then again I came on the bottom. I struck at the water as I went down, and again where I struck on the water, expending my strength as one in the nightmare fights an irresistible force. When we just take any dream at the night, when we are just taking any nightmare in the night, what happened with us? We are just doing something, we are sleeping, but in the sleepy area also, in our sleepy position also, what we are doing, we are just doing the irresistible force that is of no use. Like the same I was doing, I was just applying the force that was of no use. I had lost all my breath. What happened to me? I lost all my breath. मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही थी. My lungs ached. मेरे lungs में दर्द हो रहा था. My head throbbed. मेरा सिर फट रहा था. I was getting dizzy. What do you mean by dizzy? Dizzy means very much suffocating. But I remembered the strategy. But मुझे वो strategy याद थी. I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cock to the surface. What I'll do? I'll just spring to me, and I would lie flat on the water. Then I would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms, अपनी arms बाहर निकालूंगा, thrash with my legs, legs के साथ थोड़ा सा धक्का लगाऊंगा. Then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. Then what I'll do? I'll come to the edge of the pool and I'll be safe. I went down endlessly. I was just going to be down and down. I opened my eyes. What I do? I opened my eyes. Nothing but water with a yellow glow. What I was able to see? Only the water. Dark water that one could not see through. That type of water that can't be even seen by anyone. And then sheer, stark terror seized me. What is there? Sheer, that was of a, all the meanings are here, only the fear, okay, but different type of fear. Seized me means घेर लिया मुझे. Terror that knows no understanding. Even people are having the understanding, but terror is having an understanding. No, she will never see terror. It will never see that you are in a position that you can't save yourself. Terror that knows no control. Terror that no one can understand, who has not experienced it. Even who has not experienced the terror can't be understand even what is the terror. It was the shrieking underwater. ये ऐसा था कि जैसे मेरी मौत मैं अपनी आंखों से ही देख पा रहा हूँ. I was paralyzed underwater, stiff, rigid with fear. What happened to me? I was just paralyzed. मेरी body काम ही नहीं कर रही थी. Even the screams in my throat were frozen. अब तो मेरी चीखें भी सूख गई थी. Only my heart and the pounding in my head said that I was still alive. How I was feeling that I was alive? Only my heart was beating and only my head was pounding. मेरे सिर में से आवाज़ें आ रही थी ऐसे that I was still alive. And then in the midst of the terror came a touch of reason. Then I just find a reason. Okay, I must remember to jump when I hit the bottom. That I will definitely remember to jump when I'll hit the bottom. When I'll hit the bottom, then I'll just come like this. Okay, like this he was saying ki when I'll just come to the bottom, then I'll struck the bottom with a tight way, and just like this I'll just hang over it. Okay, and here is at last I felt the tiles under me. What I felt? Tiles are under me. My toes reached. मेरे पैर के अंगूठे पहुंच चुके थे वहां तक. Out as if to grab them. जिसे पकड़ लेंगे. I jumped with everything I had. Everything mean to say all the strength. What the strength I was having, I jumped with all my strength. But the jump made no difference. The water was still around me. I looked for ropes, ladders, सीढ़ियाँ ढूंढी, रस्सियाँ ढूंढी, water wings ढूंढे, nothing but water. A mass of yellow water held me. Only water, water and water. Stark terror took an even deeper hold on me. Even one thing was water, who was just around me. And one thing was the terror that was also just very much deeper. Hold on me. Like a great charge of electricity. What was like that? Like a great charge of electricity. I shook and trembled with fright. मैंने अपने आप को हिलाया, डर गया मैं डर से. My arms would not move, even my arms were not moving. My legs would not move, even my legs were not moving. I tried to call for help, to call for mother. Nothing happened. I just tried many times for the help. I just screamed for help, but nothing happened. I just call to my mother, call to anyone who can help me, but no one came to help me. And then strangely there was light. What was there? Something light, I feel. That is mean to say kuch roshni thi. I was coming out to the awful yellow water. How I was coming out? At least my eyes were. मेरी आंखें भी बाहर आ गई थी. My nose was almost too out too. मेरी nose भी बाहर आ चुकी थी. Then I started down a third time. What I started? Just third time, again under the water. I sucked for air and got water. The yellowish light was going out. What happened? Yellowish light again was going out. Then all effort ceased. I relaxed. What I think? I must be relaxed. Even my legs felt limp. What my legs were feeling? कि दैट वॉज कि मेरी लेग्स में जान ही नहीं है. ओके. एंड अ ब्लैकनेस स्वेप्ट ओवर माई ब्रेन. मेरे दिमाग में भी कालापन छा चुका है. ओके. इट वाइप्ड आउट फियर. डर जा चुका था. इट वाइप्ड आउट टेरर. सारे तरीके की डर जा चुका था. देयर वॉज नो मोर पैनिक. और ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रेस नहीं था मैं. इट वॉज क्वाइट एंड पीसफुल. अब मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था, शांति लग रही थी. नथिंग टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ. डरने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं. दिस इज नाइस. बढ़िया है. टू बी ड्रॉजी. डूबना. टू गो टू स्लीप. सोना. नो नीड टू जम्प. देर इज नो नीड टू जम्प. टू टायर्ड टू जम्प. थक चुका हूँ जंप लगा लगा. इट्स नाइस टू बी कैरिड जेंटली. कि अब जो है समझ से काम लूंगा क्या होता है मेरे साथ. टू फ्लॉट अलॉन इन स्पेस. इन द स्पेस आई कैन फ्लॉट. टेंडर आर्म्स अराउंड मी. टेंडर आर्म्स लाइक मदर्स की आर्म्स लाइक मी. वॉट अबाउट फॉर लाइक माई मदर. नाउ आई मस्ट गो टू स्लीप. वॉट आई हैव टू डू? To sleep only. I crossed to oblivion and curtain of this life fell. मैंने सोचा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, मेरी जान निकल जाएगी. कोई बात नहीं. Now it's time to go to the sleep. And the next I remember I was lying on my stomach beside the pool vomiting. आफ्टर दैट वॉट हैपन टू मी कि मैं पूल के साइड में पढ़ा हूँ और वॉमिट कर रहा हूँ. द बॉय, चाप मीन्स बॉय, दैट थ्रू मी इन वॉज सेइंग बट आई वॉज ओनली फूलिंग. मैं तो सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा था तुम्हारे साथ. समवन सेड द किड नियरली डाइड. तुम्हें पता भी है बच्चा मरने वाला था. बी ऑल राइट नाउ. समझ जाओ अब ये बातें. लेट्स कैरी हिम टू द लॉकर रूम. चलो इसे लॉकर रूम में लेकर आओ. सेवरल आवर्स लेटर आई वॉकड होम. वेयर आई गॉन? एट माई होम. आई वॉज वीक एंड ट्रेम्बलिंग. आई वॉज वेरी वीक. आई वॉज जस्ट ट्रेम्बलिंग. काँप रहा था मैं. आई शुक एंड क्राइड व्हेन आई ले ऑन माई बेड. मैं ऐसे हिला और चिल्लाया दर्द से जब मैं बेड पे था. आई कुड नॉट ईट दैट नाइट. मैं कुछ खाया भी नहीं मैंने उस रात. फॉर डेज अ हंटिंग फियर वॉज इन माई हार्ट. एक ऐसा फियर जिससे मैं छुटकारा पा ही नहीं पा रहा था. ऐसा फियर था मेरे दिल में. ओके. एंड द स्लाइटेस्ट एक्सर्शन अपसेट मी. एक्सर्शन वॉज देयर. थोड़ी सी एक्सर्शन ने मुझे अपसेट कर दिया. मेकिंग मी वॉबली इन द नीज एंड सिक टू माई स्टमक. मेरे घुटनों में, मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा था. आई नेवर वेंट बैक टू पूल. मैं कभी नहीं जाऊँगा पूल पर. आई फियर्ड वाटर. मुझे डर लगता है पानी से. आई अवॉइडेड इट वेन एवर आई कुड. मैं अवॉइड करूँगा, कभी नहीं जाऊँगा. अ फ्यू ईयर्स लेटर when I came to know that the waters of the cascades, I wanted to get into them. Now I again wanted to go. And whenever I did, जब भी मैं जाता था, whether I was wading the Titon or bumping river or bathing in warm lake of the Goat Rocks, what I do, जहाँ पे जो गोट रॉक्स थी वहाँ पर, या टिटेन में, या फिर यहाँ पर बम्पिंग रिवर में, द टेरर दैट हैड सीज्ड मी इन द पूल वुड कम बैक. जब भी मैं जाता था मुझे वही का वही डर वापस लगता था. इट वुड टेक पोजेशन ऑफ मी कम्प्लीटली. मेरा तो पूरी तरीके से पोजेसिव हो गया था. मैं तो इन चीज़ों को लेकर मैं जा ही नहीं सकता था पानी में. माई लेग्स वुड बिकम पैरालाइज्ड. मेरी टांगों में तो पैरालाइज हो जाता था. आईसी हॉरर वुड ग्रैब माई हार्ट. आईसी हॉरर वुड ग्रैब माई हार्ट. कि वॉट हैपन टू मी, मेरे दिल के अंदर एक डर जम गया था. दिस हैंडीकैप स्टेड विद मी एज द ईयर्स रोल्ड बाय. जैसे जैसे दिन बीतते गए मेरा ये डर भी बढ़ता गया. इन कैनॉज रिवर्स में, ऑन मेन लेक्स, फिशिंग फॉर लैंड लॉक्ड सेलेमन. कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा था. ना ही फिशिंग कर पा रहा था. ठीक है, ना ही मैं किसी लेक के अंदर जा पा रहा था, बोटिंग कर पा रहा था, कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा था. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल डू अप टू हेयर, and in the next lecture we are going to start new page. Thank you, have a nice day.